He's got my shoe, he's pulling me down. He's pulling me down. No, stop breaking the sled. Stop breaking it. No, no. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yourselves back to Twizz Gamers. What are you two doing? Here is Twizz Katie, and that is Twizz Monty. Hello, hello mate. They keep breaking the sled. Look at this right here. Do you see this? I got the Air Maxes on, they're a bit dirty, but... So I'm sitting on a sledge right now, if you haven't gathered. It barely ever snows in the UK, and it keeps switching between like blizzard, either blizzard, absolute blizzard, or sunny like it is now. And it keeps switching. Like 1 minute, the reason I'm wearing so much stuff is because it was like hailing down, peeps, hailing down. Twizz Monty, why won't you let me sled, mate? Bye, Mon, bye. Oh, he won't let me. He used to do it as a puppy, but he won't let me anymore. Bye, Monty. Look, he starts breaking it. No, no, stop that. Look, doggies. Oh, look. Ready? Ready? Look, it's a snowball. Ready? Go get it, go! He's not dumb. He's not stupid. He doesn't want me to look. He's sitting right in front of it. Okay, let's record this sled. It's a steepish hill. There's better. If it snows again, we'll do another snow vlog. And there's a steep one, like it goes like that, peeps. It's so steep. So we might do that one if that's the case. But yeah, I mean, it's still snowing, but it's a bit sunnier. Look, he has literally plumped himself right in front of the sled right now. Are you kidding me? Monty? Excuse me, mate. Oh, shit. That made him jump. Excuse me, mate. Hello? You can't sit there. Oh, no, but the sledge is stuck too. Bye, Mon. Bye. No, stop breaking the sled. Stop breaking it. Bye, Mom. Bye, Monty. Bye. Bye, Mom. Bye. No, stop breaking the sled. Stop breaking it. No, no. Bad, good boy. You silly pup. Monty, move out the way. Move out the way, mister. Oh, I'll sit right there. Right. Katie? What's this? Ready? Go get it! Monty's too smart. Right, let's go, let's go. Oh no! Monty, stop that! Stop breaking the sled! Stop it. Stop. I need content, man. Content blocking me. Okay? Mister, I know you don't want me to hurt myself. Who's a little cutie boy? Alright, we're gonna go right down here. Okay, Monty, you're gonna have to move, mate. Oh, I can't even stand up. Oh, there we go. Monty, look, what's this? What's this? Look. Oh, we're off. No, Monty, move. Monty, you're going to hurt yourself. Stop breaking the sled. Stop breaking the sled. No, no. You see what I mean? It's still, stop it. Stop breaking it, okay? Katie doesn't really care. She just likes following me and chasing me. Monty, no. Look, I turned the sled a bit. Monty. All right, attempt number 2 or 3 or whatever. Here we go. Right, I need to stand up real quick. Oh, Monty, move. Monty, Monty, stop. Monty, stop. Good boy. What's this? What's this? Katie, what's this? Monty, what's this? They're making it incredibly difficult for me to sled right now. Right, I just need to push as quickly as I can. Stay there, Mon, stay there. No. He's got my shoe, he's pulling me down. He's pulling me down. Stop it. Dogs, don't move. Monty, move. No, he's pulling me. Right, let go, let go, let go. Dogs, stop, stop. Oh, my hand is covered in snow. That is cold. One. Dogs, stop breaking it. Stop that. No. Look how close we got. Okay, attempt number 1006. Action. Guys, slight change of plan. I did just do a test run right down there, and can you see that muddy puddle right there? All right, because of my weight, I went flying and the dogs were chasing me and I had to steer. So we're gonna go directly into the bush this time, and I'm gonna record it for the banter. Actually, no, I'm not. Fuck that. I kind of broke the sledge a little bit and it's covered in mud, but you know, it's all good, boys. Okay. They really don't like me sledging. All right, I think we're gonna have to do like one more. Holy shit. Running up here as well, slipping all over the place. Like, ah, come on. Monty, you want to get on the sledge with me? You used to as a puppy. Stay there. I'm holding his collar and then I'm going to let go. Stay there. Stay. Stay. No. No. Dogs. Stop it. Stop this. Monty, no. Stop. He's pulling me down as well. Stop. 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 Monty, stop. No. You don't even know what's going on, do you? Stop. Right, ready? Ready? Okay, stop this. Stop, 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 stop. No, you do not do that. No, Monty, stop. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Stop. Stay there. Okay, we're off, we're going. Oh, they're stopping me. They're stopping me. Ah. Oh no, he's pulling my shoe. Monty, get off my shoe. Get off! Both of you, stop. The sledge is pretty much effed in the A now. Okay. Right, let's try this one more time, okay? Are you going to be a good boy? Monty, come to me. Oh. No, stop breaking the sled. Are you going to be a good boy? Oh, they're both gone. This could be my opportunity. He's looking. No, 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 no. Monty, I'm just sitting down, mate. Monty, you really need to stay there. Look, if I even move a little bit. This was my previous track. Then literally another dog came, so I was able to do it. This is more work than it should be, guys. Let's go for it, fuck it. YOLO. No. Look, he runs straight to it. Katie, what's this? Look. Oh, what? Look at that, look. Oh, oh. Ah, no. Katie, move. Katie, move. Move, Katie, move. Oh, shit. You're pulling me. Oh, oh, oh. He's breaking the sled. Ah. Oh, my God. Don't sled with dogs. Dude, I'm laying on the floor, guys. I'm being ravaged by a wild dog. Stop. Stop. Stop breaking. Oh no. Are you kidding me? Look at this sled right now. Look at my hand. Look at the sled. What's wrong with you, Monty? Twizz Monty. Twizz Monty. What are you doing? Why you break the sled? Can we have a rest in peace memorial for the sled? Sled, Twizz sledge, sled, Twizz sled. You did a good job for all three sledges I got out of you. And I'm sorry you got murdered by Twizz Monty and Katie. But rest in peace. We shall now bury you in snow. No, we won't, because there'll be other kids coming down here soon. So, okay. Doggies, you're wild savages. You are a wild dog. Look what you did to my sled, Twizz Monty. Look what you did. This is unusable. He don't give a shit. You savage. God dang. Okay, I made it to the top of the hill. If you're not wondering how I'm vlogging this, I'm using my phone. Guys, I wish right now I could be saying that this was very eventful, but it was not. We're walking up a hill. I've got a broken sledge and two wild beasts attacking me. You're wild savages, doggies. That was a Twizz sneeze. Everything's Twizz. Goodbye, sled. You did good for all 2 sledges. Thank you for being my companion. Lost but never forgotten. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video or live stream like a somebody. Peace out, Team Twizz. Much love. You broke my sled.